Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Selena. Today I just got a free package again from Amazon, and thank you for my sponsor. And then I'm gonna unbox it to you guys, so you're gonna see what's inside. Okay, so this is it. Open it now. Open. See, this is good for our business, guys, and it's very useful. And then it says here that shredding 7.38 feet per minute. The shredder is faster than most other shredder. It's a class. And then there are lots of instructions here that you can read on, and that's for Vida Teco. Okay, so we'll open. I love it. Love it. Wow. This is really good. See, I put my camera down, guys, so that you can see. See? Can you see that, guys? Ayan. So, ayan siya. Put it a little bit up. There you go. Ayan. Oops, hindi pa rin siya masyado makita. There you go. So, I have to remove the plastic. See? And then there's also a handle that you can carry anywhere as long as there's a plug to plug it on. Okay, of course there's a off switch and auto, whatever you like. You can do like cards, paper, but these cannot be. These are like, and some cloth. You cannot put a cloth, a tie. It's only a paper, but you can put a card, you know, ATM card, if you want to share the ATM card. Instructions here that you can do. Once you open the manual, see, it says here the control switches auto, off and on, and then the installation is also here. So this is what you call the basket. This is the basket. And this one over here in the middle is the paper entry. Paper entry. This is the paper entry, guys. Paper entry. This one here. And then, of course, this is the handle. This is the handle over here. So, installation, it says here, take out the shredder head from the box and then put it onto the basket. Make sure that the shredder head is resting securely on top of the basket. Place the installed shredder on that surface and plug it into the socket. Switch to auto mode. The shredder is now ready to work. So, ayan. May mga instruction dito, guys, that you can read on how to do it, how to install, and this is really good. And there's also a note here. So the motor might slightly smell during the first use it. Several small papers particles might be left in the basket after 100% full testing by the manufacturer. So, and these are the warning. There's also a warning here, guys. For the warning, it says your operation, maintenance, and service requirements are covered in the instruction manual. Keep away from the children, and that is really important, guys. And for pets, keep hands away from the paper entry. Always set to off or unplug when not in use. It says that if you're not using it, guys, you have to unplug because that's really important. And then number 3, keep foreign objects like gloves, jewelry, clothing, hair, etc. away from the shredder opening. If objects enters on top opening, the switch to reverse to back out object. Do not use aerosol products, petroleum based on the aerosol lubricant or near shredder. Do not use canned air or air duster on shredder. This shredder do not need lubricant. Do not use if damaged or defective. Do not disassemble shredder. Do not place near or overheat source of water. Then avoid touching exposed cutting blades under the shredder head. Shredder must be plugged into the properly grounded wall outlet socket of the voltage and upper range designed on the label. The grounded outlet energy converters, transforms, or extension cord should not be used with this product. There's also a fire hazard. Do not shred greeting cards without sound chips or battery. It means that if you want to shred papers, don't use the one with sounds because that's not good. It's also an indoor use only. For small businesses, you can use this one. And this is really important, guys, especially that me and my husband has a business, so it's really very useful for us. Unplug shredder before cleaning or servicing. So that's instruction. So there's a installation here if you how to install, and there's also a product specification. So it's over here. I'll just pause it in my video so that you can read on. And then there's an operation here, and there's also tips to prevent paper jam. So you have to read this carefully before using it. So that's it. And then there's also troubleshooting if something happened to this one. This is how to do it, to fix it. It's a limited product warranty also, guys. So this is really good. This is very nice. So I would like to say thank you for my sponsor, and of course from Amazon. This is what's this, what we call this, a bestseller in Amazon. I would like to thank them for giving this one to me. It's a Vida Teco. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It's me again, Selena. Okay, bye guys.